Hi, I am Maria from theteacherschool.com and I am a K-12 educational therapist. Let's be honest. Worksheets crammed with multiplication facts, timed worksheets or otherwise, are not reaching all of your students. And in fact, they're sort of limiting your students to just having a rote memorization of facts rather than fact fluency. I'm sure you have a group of students who will do anything to avoid completing math fact worksheets. They will talk to their friends, reorganize their desks, do just about anything but the math worksheet in front of them. The truth is, if we give students engaging activities, they will be engaged. Instead of drill and kill through worksheets, develop student fact fluency with math games. And here's why. Number one, games provide multi-sensory engagement. While kids play games, they engage with each other and the game itself by talking, listening, and moving pieces around. Each of the senses are at work: touch, sight, speech, hearing, increasing student involvement and memory. For students who, like Dory, can't seem to hold anything in their head too long, games make fact practice kinesthetic and sticky. 2, games give students structure. For students who have attentional challenges or have trouble initiating tasks, games give students a clear way to get started and to stay involved. Students know exactly what to do and when, and they are definitely motivated and encouraged by their friends to keep going. 3, games are motivating. Internally motivated students will always complete their math worksheets out of a sense of duty to get the job done. Games, on the other hand, provide both internal and external motivation. Students want to do their best, internal, so that they can win, external, but they also have classmates urging them to keep going and take their next turn. 4, games require strategy. One of my favorite math games, tic-tac-toe products, requires students to think about factors in order to make their next move or to block their opponent from winning. In this case, strategy means strengthening their multiplication know-how. Math fact games are beneficial for all students, especially those who have trouble with memory and attention. That's why we need to use games in the classroom, and yes, even for homework. Think about how much of a hero you will be if you give students math homework that their parents don't have to beg and plead to get them to finish.